Hello and happy Wednesday, and I'm going to talk to you about something today that I think is unheard of in the weight loss blogosphere, or I should say the weight loss sales campaigns, which is this idea of never gaining weight, of finding a place that you can settle in when you're not actively losing weight, but so you aren't actively gaining weight. I often get clients who have never found this area of maintaining a weight. And the thing with that, the reason that's an issue is because if you're not actively pursuing weight loss and you are just eating whatever's not tied down, chances are you're gaining weight. And that's why a lot of us have been on this yo-yo diet cycle for years and years and years. So what I'm going to encourage you to do is to think about, what are my calories for maintaining my weight? So you've got weight loss, which most of you know that, right? You've read enough books that you know what your calorie requirements might be to lose weight. And those of you that aren't doing that, usually you're eating so much you're gaining weight. But there is this happy middle place that exists where you could actually balance your weight. So imagine you lost some weight and you went to maintaining your weight with your calories and you never gained anything past that point. And then when you got ready to lose weight again, you could just pick up and move on. That's really the magic of all of this. So I'm going to encourage you this week, look at what it takes to maintain your body weight where it is right now. And then in the month of December, you could do something like I have sometimes my coaching clients do, which is pick so many days you're going to focus on weight loss and so many days you're going to focus on maintaining your weight. Because imagine if you came out at the end of December with either having lost a little bit or if nothing else staying the same. And then come January, you could just pick back up with where you left off and not gaining a bunch of weight. This is really imperative because if you practice this now, when you do hit your goal weight, you will be able to stay there. I'm coming up on 4 years at maintaining my weight loss within a 10-pound range. And I will tell you now, that has been huge. So you don't want to underestimate the power of maintaining. You guys have a great week and let me know what your plan is to not gain weight again. All right, you have a great one.